Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, September 27th, 2016. Taking a look at the S&P 500 today, this is the SPY, the tracking ETF. Notice how early in the day we had a little bit of a dip right here, and then the markets quickly reversed. One small retrace and then up and away. Notice how once we got to about the noon hour, we just went sideways the rest of the day. So again, you got a lot of consolidation. Interesting, the markets are coming back today, although again, considering most people would say that Hillary Clinton won the debate, that's what the market wants, so that is why you're seeing some upside. Now, a little bit of steam from the rally is being taken away because of oil falling, and if we take a look at the USO, let's bring it up right now, which is the oil ETF, you can clearly see that. So again, bringing up the USO right here, we are down about 2.3%. Now, basically, this is coming after leaking news from OPEC's meeting. It's a 3-day meeting. Today's meeting number 2, day number 2. Initially, people were thinking maybe a deal, and then obviously there's not going to be one. And by the way, folks, anytime you hear about a deal going on with OPEC, it's all nonsense. All right, there's no deal. You don't get Iran and Saudi Arabia to agree on cutting production or halting production. It just doesn't happen. And even if they do agree in words, they always cheat. Every company, every country does. The whole idea is that you always assume your neighbor's cheating, so why aren't you going to cheat and put out more oil at production and just kind of slip it in the market? You don't want to let your buddy do it more than you. You're just like, I got to make the money too. So it just doesn't happen. So honestly, every pop in oil should be looked at as a shorting opportunity. But I have something very big I want to bring to your attention here. Take a look at the chart here. All right, we have a major triangular pattern development here on the chart of oil. And this is the chart of the USO. This is the daily chart. Let me get rid of that trend line. Take a look at the triangle. I mean, this is one of the greatest triangles I have seen. High of around $52 to $53 here on spot crude. Low of, guess what? You're looking at a low of around $30 right down here. Now, notice how the two trend lines are coming together. All right, you're getting closer and closer. What this is telling us is that eventually oil is either going to break out or break down. Now, I won't pretend to tell you I know exactly which way it's going to go, because I don't. What I do know is that whichever way it breaks, you are going to have a huge move. So if we break to the upside, folks, you're going back to the highs right here around $52 a barrel. If you break to the downside, you are going back to the $30 per barrel level down here. So I mean, literally, whichever way you break, and I think you're going to break in the next 5 trading days, because again, look at it, just imagine adding 5 more candles in here. I mean, these lines are getting closer and closer. Eventually, they're going to converge, and you got to break out. So in the next 5 trading days, I think you have a huge oil move on hand that begins with either a breakout or a breakdown. And again, target to the downside. If it breaks down, you can short it, you can buy puts, you're going to $30. If you break to the upside, you're going to $52. You can buy calls, you can buy oil itself, you can buy the USO, you can buy any of the ETFs that are long oil. There are lots of options, but this is a very important triangle position here. And again, it will break in the next few days. Beyond point, folks. You catch this, you will make huge money. I'm going to catch it with the Research Center. We always do. Step up, join the Research Center, take the 7-day free trial, make literally tens of thousands of dollars with us when we catch this trade. Talk to you soon, guys. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com.